In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the normal Oracle Java into a Mac Mojave system. And so we're going to start up Terminal. If you haven't used it, you just go to Finder or Spotlight and type in Terminal until it sees enough. You say terminal.app and then hit Enter. And you're in Terminal. You'll probably see it in a smaller font. Now the first thing you want to do is see if Java is installed. So there's two types of Javas. There's Java, what's called runtime environment, which is for running Java applications without developing them. So we can just type in Java and see what it says. And you notice it says there's no Java runtime present. So we'll tell you about this in a minute. So we hit OK. So let's say Java C. This is the main command you use to compile Java. If you're using an IDE, it does it for you, but if you click that, you should get the same message. When you type these commands, if it types out a lot of information, that means it's already installed, but it may be an older version, so you can also just install the newest version and it would replace it. So the easiest way to install it is right from here. Just type Java C and click More Info, and it'll automatically go into your browser and open up a place in Oracle, which has a place for downloading the Java JDK. It'll have the current version here. So just click on this icon. This has some copyright restrictions, and which only apply if you're a large company and you're going to make money from your Java programs, or what's copyrighted inside Java. It's complicated. So, but you do have to agree to this license. And then go to the Mac OS DMG and download it. This will take a little while. It'll automatically open it when you're done. So it's opening it now. And just double click on here. And you're just going to accept the defaults. It's a very simple install. So we're just going to say continue, install. Put in my password, install software. Now it's done. Move it to trash. We don't need the installer anymore. We can close this window, and we're back to here. Now we type in Java C, and it gives us all kinds of information. And one of the first things it tells you how to use it. If you want to find out the version, type in Java C space hyphen hyphen version, and it tells you what. Oops, you got to spell it right. There we go. Java C hyphen hyphen version, and you see we've got the new version. So that's all you have to do to prepare to install an IDE like Eclipse or IntelliJ by JetBrains. So you have Java installed now. Now what it actually did, it set it up some pointers to Java, but it actually made a folder. Let me see if I can tell you where it is. So it's in so it's in cd/library/Java/Java virtual machines. So if you cd to that and do an ls, you'll see there's a directory, and this is the entire thing that you installed. If you want to uninstall it, you would go to this library, library folder, and you would delete this folder, and that would uninstall it. So it's very simple. That's it.